Thank you for stopping by my page and watching this video, and I promise to make it short and to the point. I'm Joe Kaiser. They call me the Real Estate Professor. And through the American Dream Real Estate School, we offer the 168-hour pre-licensing course that is a prerequisite for you to take the exam. Now, there's a lot of amazing schools out there that offer this course. So what makes this one different? The difference is the personal, hands-on approach that I take to help you understand the material and pass the exam. The Colorado Real Estate exam is one of the hardest exams in the nation. And when you pass the exam, you'll be issued a real estate broker's license. Not a salesperson, but a broker's license, which makes the exam a little bit harder. And I'm here to help you pass the exam. Through weekly live review classes, I'll help you get clarity with the material. I'll bring to the surface areas that are going to be on the exam, and I'll answer any questions that you may have real-time with real-time answers so you're not stuck in any part of the material. So if you're looking for the best way to pass your Colorado Real Estate exam, then hit the enroll button and we'll schedule you into the next class. If you're already in a class, a course, and you're just looking for additional help to understand the material, then text me and I'll customize a plan just for you. Thank you again for watching. I'm Joe Kaiser, the Real Estate Professor, here to help you pass your Colorado Real Estate exam.